Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina, YouTube's only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and simple way to host or bring something to a holiday party. We are going to show you how to make a great charcuterie board. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. You want to start off with a couple of basic elements for your board. And once again, this is a great way if you have people coming over to the house, maybe we just serve some cocktails, you can get some great cocktail videos here. And then just have meat and cheese out for folks, and it's going to be a really easy way for everybody to kind of pick, socialize, enjoy their drink, enjoy their company in the holiday without you going through too much trouble. It's also a wonderful thing to bring to somebody's home if you're invited to a holiday party and maybe cooking and baking is not your thing, but you can arrange things on a platter. So your first decision is really what platter you're going to use. So obviously we have a couple of different sizes and shapes here. You can also pick different materials like marbles or slate. A lot of them are fun. They all kind of create their own element to the dish. So I'm actually going to wind up using this round one, but of course we've got long, we've got a big board here. And then you want to select 2 to 3 different types of meats and cheeses. So I have a sopressata, which is a hard salami. I have a Genoa salami. We're going to be using a goat cheese here. I also chose some manchego. That's one of my favorites. And this is a truffled provolone cheese. And so it's got these veins of dark black truffle through it. And when I sliced it up, it actually causes the cheese to fall apart, but that's cool. We work with what we got. So we'll just pile that into a different section than triangles, which is what the manchego looks like. We've also got some marinated olives, some raw walnuts, a little bit of fresh fruit, and you always want something green on your plate. So we have some fresh herbs, and this is all for the most part stuff that you would probably have in your pantry if you did any cooking over the holidays. So it's kind of whatever is available to you. So with our plate, you know, we have this beautiful wood cutout. So where I'm actually going to start here is this center piece, and that's where I'm going to put my bowl for my olives so that they kind of are the centerpiece of the dish. So we'll get those in there. And then I really just build these by eye. So it's whatever looks good, whatever looks pretty, but the goal really is to fill the whole plate. That's what's gonna make it really be something special and have a really attractive look to it. So I've already sliced up a lot of this stuff. So we're gonna start off with maybe some of our meats, and we'll go around the edge here. And as best you can, you wanna try to slice everything more or less the same size. Doesn't always work, don't worry. And again, you just kind of work it where things fit, where the shapes go, and whatever looks good to you. So we'll just kind of keep going in this manner here. Once you kind of have everything placed where you'd like it, you can actually use your raw nuts or some grapes or additional fruit to kind of fill in any empty spaces. They're really good for that. So we get those last few things on here. And then you just want to top everything with your fresh herbs. And these can really just lie on top of things, kind of wherever there's a division of a type of food. So between meats or cheeses, cheese and fruit. And again, greens are just a really great way to kind of add a little life to the plate so it looks nice and pretty for you. There you go, you've got a great charcuterie board. Once again, easy for serving at your own holiday cocktail party or for bringing with you to someone's home. Guys, of course, you can always find this video along with some instructions at caradifalco.com. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco for all my foodie adventures. And of course, be sure, if you haven't already, to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like this video, and of course the bell icon so you're always notified when there's a fresh new recipe up right here at Cara's Cucina. I'll see you guys next week. Happy New Year. Buon appetito.